Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today I've got my new helper for about 13 months. He's been helping me out. Each month he gets a little more helpful. And today in the mail I got this Tilswall electric spin brush, spin scrubber. It's gonna hopefully make my life a little bit easier when we're cleaning around the house here, since I only have one hand now. Let's take a look at it. I'll show you all the pieces to it, and then I'm gonna use it and let you know my thoughts on it. And well, my assistant will probably have his own thoughts on it too. So I've used their sprayer in a previous video, so you can check that out too to see some other products that they have. I've already pulled it out once to charge it, but look at this, how big this is. This is gonna be awesome. Nice weight to it. Our instruction book. So 230 RPMs is what this is tailored for. Just a snap on top there. You can charge it with your USB port. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. And you got 3 adapters here. We've got a small. What would you say that is? A little pointer one. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. He's not much of a cleaner, he's more of the mess maker, so the messes that we have today are guaranteed from him. We've got our cone, and we've got our heavy duty brush. So we're going to just use all these on different things today and see how they work, see the power level of this. We'll do it in the sink, the tub. I've got a stone floor in the shower that we'll scrub and see if it comes back nice and clean. So we'll give it some good tests, and well, if it works, I'm going to keep it. I'll keep promoting this. So let's get started by cleaning some stuff. Do you want to read the directions? No? Okay. Alright, so we just have our triangle piece, slide it in and turn, and it's locked in. Got our power button down here, and let's get to work. For about an hour, and my supporting staff here, well, he's tired, if you can imagine that. But we used it on the sink, the tub, the stone floor in our bathtub, or in our shower, and the grout lines on our floor here. 230 RPMs. We used it for an hour. The battery life on it says it's 2 to 3 hours, which is on this side here. Or 3 to 4 hours. I don't think we even touched any of the battery length on it. We tried all the heads, really nice. They're not too coarse where I was worried about like scratching the porcelain or the tub or anything like that, but not soft enough where it's not gonna it's gonna fold up on you. So nice little piece. You can store it nice and easy in a drawer, hide it away, and pull it out when you need to for a stain in the tile, or just hit those hard stains in the sink or wherever. And well, if you have one of the supporting staff like me, well, there's always a mess to be cleaned up, and having that one hand and a nice scrub makes the job pretty quick. I just did that, threw a towel in there, wiped it off, cleaned it up, and it shined. So yeah, I guess it's lunchtime, so we'll see you in our next video. Check it out. If you have any questions, let me know.